Well, the question says that Jess had twice as much money as Jen. Jill had 1/4 of what Jess had and $40. The three girls had $4,590 in total. How much more money did Jess have than Jill? Okay, from the question you can see a fractions of 1/4 given here. Alright, so usually when you see a fraction, this is a fraction type of problem. So we're going to start drawing a model using the fractions. So the whole fraction statement says Jill had 1/4 of what Jess had and $40. Looking at the denominator 4 here, it refers to Jess. Okay, that means to say we're going to draw Jess model to be 4 units. And what about Jill? Then Jill would have 1 unit plus $40. So Jill, 1 unit plus $40. And that of Jess, 4 units. Now, what about Jen? The question tells us that Jess had twice as much money as Jen, given here. Alright? That means to say that, okay, if Jen would have 1 unit, Jess would have 2 units. Alright? So, but since we already used up units, so we're going to use parts. So if Jen had 1 part, then Jess would have 2 parts. Alright? So we're going to group 2 units into a part over here. And therefore Jen would have 1 part, which is 2 units. Okay? And the total amount of money of these 3 girls, $4,590, given by the questions. So the question is, how much more money did Jess have than Jill? So we're going to compare the model of Jess and Jill. Alright? Jill had 1 unit plus $40, whereas Jess had 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So the difference is 3 units and $40. But before we can find out the difference, we still need to find out the unknown units. To find the unknown units, we've got to equate the model on the left to that on the right. On the left, we have a total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units plus $40. On the right, we have $4,590. So that means to say 7 units is equal to $4,590 minus $40, which is equal to 4,550. Therefore, what is 1 unit? We're going to take 4,550 divided by 7. Alright, do that and you get 650 for 1 unit. Okay, now we compare Jill and Jess model once again. Okay, since we have a unit here and $40, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, we can actually strike off the units. Alright, don't need to compare the units, and we just need to find the difference. Alright, we strike it off. So now straight away you can see that, well, if let's say Jill had $40, then Jess will have 3 units, and the difference will be here. Alright, so the difference is taking 3 units minus $40. Alright, since 1 unit is 650, therefore 3 units minus $40 is 3 multiplied by 650, which is 1,950, then minus the $40. That gives us $1,910. Hence, Jess had $1,910 more than Jill. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.